Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell in the title, I really just want to try this because I've always kind of like low-key liked the way the Kardashians do their makeup, and I was like, you know what, I know they have like specific people that do their makeup, but maybe you guys don't know, or maybe you guys do, but Kim Kardashian came out with a video using her kkwbeauty products, and she does her own makeup, and I was like, you know what, I think it's a great idea for me to try to do her routine, because we all have different routines, so I really want to try Kim Kardashian's routine, and I think it's like a fun way to just kind of play with makeup, and like, why not? So I had the plan of like just following Kim Kardashian's home beauty routine using KKW. I don't own any of the KKWs. I wish I did, but I'm going to be trying out doing my own makeup with my own products that I have, trying to just kind of recreate her look. I know I'm not gonna look cute and maybe not as snatched like she does. I even tried doing my hair like her, but we're just gonna have to try and see how this ends up. But I am really excited to try this. So let's just go ahead and get started. I have it on my computer here. I'm just going to go ahead and follow it. I'm also filming with the back of my camera. Like, I use my iPhone, and normally I film with the front, but today I'm filming with the back. So I'm seeing how it works. I'm seeing how the quality looks. Normally I'm just so used to filming with the front one because I'm able to see exactly how everything's coming out. But today I'm doing it with the back one, so we shall see how quality looks. Maybe it looks a little bit better than the front one for sure. So yeah, I'm excited, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. I did my brows off camera because it looks like she has her brows already on, and you know, like she just has it on. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it off camera. So I did that. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be posting the little video here of how I'm following it, so you guys can see what I'm kind of watching.
I am
same girl, same. I'm bored too.
I'm in my guest bathroom right now, and I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial.
I think she's filming with her iPhone as well,
and gonna show you guys how I just do a quick little makeup sesh. But when I'm super pale like this, I use Joe Blasco foundation, and my color is Olive Beige 3. I've always liked a cream base.
She's gonna go in with a cream base. The only cream base I have is going to be Milk Makeup. This is their Flex Foundation stick, and it's like cream, is not liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Today I'm gonna go in with, I have sand and I have, I think, light sand. So I'm gonna go in with light sand and see how it works. She goes in with a kabuki brush. Let's go ahead and see.
This old MAC 180 kabuki brush.
Okay, so she's using a MAC kabuki brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I grabbed the little kabuki brush, and I'm just gonna kind of grab the product from my stick right here, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just grabbing it right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of like apply it onto our skin. Is this a little bit too pale, or is it the same color? I'm gonna go ahead and try sand, maybe mix both of them. So I'm just doing this. I'm grabbing a Milk Makeup. This is their foundation brush. So I'm just gonna do this and just kind of sip it all over.
Key to a good base is always your moisturizer and your serums.
So I actually did my skincare before I applied all of this makeup. I'm just starting. So I have a little bit of moisturizer on. I do have the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I'm going to show you guys what I have. I applied this moisturizer for my skincare kind of thing before I add this. I didn't even put primer today. I just used the moisturizer. She didn't mention anything about a primer, so that's why I didn't apply any. So we're just going to go ahead and just keep adding this. You guys, I am so used to using a beauty blender and like a brush, but I don't like going in with cream either because I'm such a dry skin gal. But I'm gonna try the way she does it. She did it with a brush, and normally I go in and try to do it with the beauty blender, but I don't think beauty blenders tend to blend cream foundations that well. So let's just go ahead and see how this works.
I don't like powder my whole skin because I still have,
okay, I think she's setting her face with a little bit of powder, but she's not setting so much. Let's just pause it there because she's already going in with concealer. So she doesn't like powdering her face that much. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little bit of powdering, but not too much. Just a little bit on my forehead, just a tad bit. I am using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of keep adding a little bit of powder, because she says that she's still gonna go in with contour. So, you know, I don't really do cream contours. I hardly do that. But right now she's gonna go in with concealer. So let's go ahead and see what she says.
I'm gonna use Conceal Big Brown, and my color that I love is number 7.
Okay, so she's using a concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay. This is their Stay Naked Correcting Concealer in the shade 4NN. 40. Why do I keep saying 4NN? It's 40NN. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal. And let's see where she's concealed. I think she concealed a little bit under her eyes right here.
Perfection. I always like to kind of bring the concealer.
She brings it a little bit down here.
Because I really feel like if you add concealer here, it really kind of helps soften those lines.
And then she's gonna go ahead and blend it. I'm gonna put it right here in my smile lines because she added it to her smile lines. She said that she doesn't spend that much time concealing, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal now with the beauty blender, because she's actually using a beauty blender. We're gonna go ahead and just conceal a little bit.
It's the key to like a flawless makeup, but I just don't have the time.
You guys, it's so funny because I saw on TikTok where this specific video where like Northwest came out with her, and she was like talking to her, and I think people were starting to say that she sounded like Bart Simpson. If you guys go on TikTok and like try to find it, like where it says Northwest Bart Simpson, you guys are going to see it, and I think it's like so funny because she kind of does sound like him. But honestly, I feel like Northwest is such a specific attitude, and I kind of love it. She's so funny, to be honest. So I just really, really love that TikTok. I don't know if Kim Kardashian has ever seen that, but I think it's hilarious. So now we're gonna go ahead and see what else she's up to. Okay, I think after this is setting powder, because I really, really do need it. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face. She's using the KKW one, bakes.
On the sponge, like it doesn't bother me that it's a little wet.
She's using the beauty blender to bake. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing.
I kind of keep that on for a second.
And we're going to bake. I normally don't bake.
And I'm using
So you guys, I normally don't bake because I'm so dry, but I'm going to do it for Kim Kardashian today because she bakes. So if she bakes, I bake. I think that's a lot of setting powder. Is it too much? I think it's too much. So we're going to stop there. Oh, I think she's brushing her brows a little bit. I did my brows already, girl. It looked like you had your brows done already.
Travel kit in here in this guest room. My eyebrows are on.
She sounded like Bart Simpson then. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this because I actually thought she already had brows done. So I'm gonna skip that.
I'm gonna use our contour stick, the KKW Beauty contour stick in
okay,
medium.
So now she's gonna go in with her contour stick.
I'll pretty much just use the lighter color.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like do a contour. Not used to that. I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is their light one. So I'm going to go in with this. I need to find a brush where I can kind of like contour with. Okay, so I found this brush from Anastasia. This is their A30 brush. And I feel like this would be good to kind of like blend that contour. So I'm going to grab a little bit of the light contour. I think it's called Java. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But we're going to go in with one of these two right here. I'm going to go in with this one a little bit, just a tad bit. Like kind of contouring the way she does. Let me just go back to see how she does it.
And since I'm super pale, I'll pretty much just use the lighter color. So then I get to blending.
Oh my gosh, she already added it. I was not paying attention. She already added it. So I'm just going to kind of add it wherever she adds it, which is like on the temples. She kind of does like a little bit of a 3. So we're gonna just kind of do that. The fact that she still has a big thing on, I can't even, because I am not used to having this much powder under my eyes. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how well it makes me look. Let's see how she's gonna blend it. Oh my god, I look ridiculous right now.
You just kind of push it
Okay,
in.
so she's blending it in with a beauty blender, so that's what I'm going to do. Just gonna start blending it in. I feel like she's going really fast. I feel like my makeup's kind of coming off here, my nose. I feel like I'm gonna have to use this to kind of blend it. Do you guys see that? How my makeup is kind of coming off there? What did I do wrong? I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder, maybe just to conceal that. Brush it off. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this off because I can't have this for too long. Okay, now let's see what she's doing. She said that she was taking this off, which I already kind of did. So now she's curling her eyelashes. So I'm gonna grab my little hair curler.
Eyelash curler. I'm gonna use this palette. This is the
I went in for my bronzer.
palette.
I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna like go in and just kind of bronze any section I need. I don't know why I keep looking at myself in this little mirror, but just kind of bronze a little bit more because like I need that Kim Kardashian glow.
I'll just use the lighter color contour since I'm super pale and just kind of go over it. I feel like it just sets it.
Highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Highlighter because I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight. This is in the shade Lit from Milk Makeup. So we're just going to kind of highlight here. Okay, next, I think she's going to go in with
already
blush.
gotten my blush palettes.
She's gonna go in with the shimmer blush. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay because it has like a shimmery blush here. So I'm gonna go in with this a little bit. Blush here. I'm mixing both of these together just so I can have like that nice glow. What's next, Kim?
I always just take contour and I'll mix the two. And just
okay, so now she's getting like a contour palette. But I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer, and she likes to go on top of her eyes. So let me just grab a brush that I like to use for this. Okay, so I'm going to use a brush, and I'm just going to go in with the Hoola bronzer again. And I'm going to just kind of go on top like she does. She likes to go on top and just kind of give herself like a nice bronzy shadow. Kind of like the look of like just using the contour a little bit on top. I feel like it gives it like a nice natural look. So we're just gonna go ahead and just do this.
Brush in this room, and I have this tiny little Charlotte Tilbury one, and I just dip it right into the contour palette.
I don't have like that little pointy brush that she has, but I have like this e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush, and it's like a tapered but like kind of flat brush. So I'm going to be using this to kind of contour a little bit down and give a little bit of shadow under my eye here. Okay, so I did my eyes. I actually really like the way it's just so simple and like just bronzy. I actually like that. So now let's see what else she does.
Like the lighter pink one. The lighter pink one. Just to kind of add a little.
She's adding a little bit more highlight. But I feel like my face is so highlighted already.
So cute that's not out yet. But I love minis.
Okay, so she's going in with lash. So she's going in with mascara now.
Beauty mascara. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Just go ahead, add a little bit of mascara. I just want to let you guys know I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag mascara, and this mascara is one of my favorites, to be honest. It is so freaking good, and it really does give you like that nice volume of your lash, which I love. See, do you guys see the difference with one lash and the other one? And this is just one coat, guys. One freaking coat, and it's so freaking nice. And I haven't even dipped it in. This is literally still that one coat, and I'm just kind of adding it here. Okay, so I finished my lashes. So next, what's next?
Powder just a
okay, so
little
she's gonna
bit.
just kind of repowder a little bit. So I'm just kind of powdering right here.
A little bit under.
Okay, let me just add a little bit of setting spray. Wait, let me go in. Let me pause this. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray because that's a setting spray that I love. So we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more. Oh yeah, this feels so nice. You guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job. I kind of do like her little thing she has going on. I can see the Kim K kind of look. Super, super pretty. I love it, you guys. Let me know. But you guys actually follow. I actually want you guys to follow it. I need you guys to try it out at least. Try it and see if you guys can get to where she gets. Because I feel like I kind of get it. I see it. I see it. I really, really do. I see the glow. I see everything. So let's go ahead and see what else she needs.
Is nude 1.5.
Okay. The one thing I do want to try from her is her nude lipsticks. I feel like she actually has some really nice nude lipsticks, and I feel like I don't really have that nice nude lipsticks. But I'm going to go ahead and see what I have. I have this one right here. This is the Lime Crime Taupist, and it's a really, really nice color. I'm going to just go ahead and add this on. I feel like she's using like a brown color.
Do you guys notice when
it's like, let me try.
I can always tell who does my makeup?
I feel like this is a little bit of tad bit cool tone. I'm gonna try to mix it in. I'm gonna go in with this one, obviously, that I just went in, and I'm gonna go in with the House Laboratories. This is in Rule, and I'm just gonna blend those two together.
Which then would be 90s Icon, maybe? Ariel. I love our matte lipstick.
Okay, because she's going in with a really nude one. Okay, so she used like a little peachy one. So I'm going to go in with a lipstick. I kind of have this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's like nude. This is in the shade Sand. So we're just going to go ahead and try this one out. Oh, I actually really like this combo. This is really, really cute. I like this. What else does she have to do?
Last step, very important step, is brighten. I love to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit. I think
she's still going to brighten. I'm going to have to see what I can use. So I have this Laura Mercier. This is their Mercier. This is their secret brightening powder under the eyes. I've never tried it, and I'll show you guys. I have not tried it because it still has a little plastic. So I'm going to try this out because you know what? Kim K is going to brighten under the eyes, and I want to try it out. So let's go ahead and see. Maybe it's going to be my new thing. Who knows? So we're going to just shake it a little bit. Oh my god, a lot of it came out with this. Let's see. Okay, I can see the brightening. I'm scared of a little bit of white. Like super white. Oh, that shit really brightened it. I see it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin. Oh, that really did brighten it. I see it. Do you guys see it? I feel like that really did that. Ooh. You know, honestly, you guys, I feel like I did a really good job. Like, I actually feel it. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? So, let's see. I think this is the last of it.
Beauty, mostly using KKW Beauty products, Glam, in my guest room, quarantine Glam.
So that was the end of the video, guys. What do you guys think? I'm like trying to see myself in the mirror. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this look? I actually really, really like it. I like the fact that I did the cream foundation because it looks like my skin. Maybe the contour is a bit too heavy, but I feel like on television it will look really, really nice. And I actually really, really like this. I approve. I love it. Thank you, Kim Kardashian, for this video. I really, really needed it. Maybe other people do need it too. Who knows? Especially because she's just doing it herself. She's not like a pro. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of this look? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment and give my video a thumbs up, like that YouTube knows you guys are enjoying my videos and it recommends it to other people. If you guys are not following me on Instagram or Twitter or TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It would mean a lot for me if you guys join my little family. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.